Hey everyone, this is Sarah, and welcome to RGB Tech. In a recent video, I've already covered the AI face swap tool from PixNova, which was super fun and really impressive. So PixNova AI is an all-in-one AI photo generator and design platform with over 20+ free tools you can use directly in your browser. You can generate stunning high-quality AI photos, enhance images, and even perform face swaps in both photos and videos. Everything's completely free. No login or sign-up required. You can use all of these tools without even creating an account. And if you scroll up to the top, you'll see a bunch of AI tools they offer, like Face Swap, AI Fun Tools, AI Photo Tools, and even an art generator. PixNova's got a whole range of features, and today we're focusing on one of the best ones for content creators and small businesses, the AI Logo Generator. It lets you make professional-looking logos in just a few clicks. PixNova's free AI logo generator is a super easy way to create high-quality logos. Like, just type your brand name, choose a style, and the AI do the rest. No design skills needed, and it's totally free. Now just click on Design a Logo Now. Here, simply enter your brand or business name. And right below that, in Creative Ideas for Icons, you can add a description of your logo, or even your slogan, whatever you prefer. Select the industry you're in, like construction, education, travel, or whatever it might be. Here, I'll select technology. Now select the style you want or skip it. These are all optional. You can directly generate a logo just by entering the brand name. Then click on Generate, and within seconds, the logo gets generated. The main RGB logo appears, along with the slogan we added below it. If you're satisfied with the result, just click on Download. That's it. Let's generate another one. This time, the badge style is selected. Looks good. All right, it's generated really well. So this time, I'll go with my own name as the brand name. Select the industry and the style, then click on Generate. All right. Yeah, it looks really good and unique. Kind of perfect for a restaurant-type style. And just like that, you can keep trying out different names, industries, and styles to create logos that really match your brand or personal vibe. Whether it's for a business, a YouTube channel, or just for fun, PixNova's AI Logo Generator makes it super simple and free to use. And while you're on PixNova AI platform, you might want to check out some of their other awesome AI tools, like the AI Headshot Generator. If you're looking to upgrade your profile picture, PixNova also offers a free AI headshot generator. Simply upload any selfie, choose the style, and the AI transforms it into a polished, professional headshot in seconds. It's perfect for LinkedIn, Resumes, or any professional platform you're in. And there's one more. PixNova also offers a free Studio Ghibli AI generator, allowing you to transform simple text prompts into enchanting Ghibli-style characters, animals, and landscapes. Whether you're aiming to create original designs or reimagine existing ones, this tool brings the whimsical charm of Ghibli art to your creations. And remember, it's completely free to use. Link is in the description, so go ahead and give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.